we will now discuss the worker rights outlined in the OSHA poster and additional worker rights. The creation of OSHA provided workers the right to a safe and healthful workplace. Section 5A1 of the OSHA Act, also known as the General Duty Clause, states, "Each employer shall furnish to each of his employees employment and a place of employment which are free from recognized hazards that are causing or are likely to cause death or serious physical harm to his employees." A safe and healthful workplace means that hazards are removed and workers are trained. If a hazard cannot be removed completely, protection such as respirators or earplugs must be provided. In addition, Section 5A2 requires employers to comply with occupational safety and health standards promulgated under this Act. Some examples of a safe and healthful workplace include: fall protection and training are provided and required when working at high levels on a construction site. Machines and equipment with rotating and moving parts are guarded. Trenches are inspected and have protective systems in place. Proper confined space entry procedures, testing, equipment, and training are present. Noise levels are controlled. When levels are still high, workers are given hearing tests and are provided training and hearing protection. Protection from chemical hazards is provided, including an evaluation of chemicals used, a written program, material safety data sheets, worker protection such as protective gloves, and information and training. Right to know about hazardous chemicals. An important right is the right to know about hazardous substances in your workplace. Employers must have a written, complete hazard communication program that includes information on container labeling, material safety data sheets, or MSDSs, and worker training. The training must include the physical and health hazards of the chemicals and how workers can protect themselves, including specific procedures the employer has implemented to protect workers, such as work practices, emergency procedures, and personal protective equipment. The hazard communication program must also include a list of the hazardous chemicals in each work area and the means the employer uses to inform workers of the hazards of non-routine tasks. In addition, the program must explain how the employer will inform other employers of hazards to which their workers may be exposed, for example, contract workers.